They spray sanitizer and hope for a return to routine. That was the plan in Seoul, where schools were supposed to reopen last week, until officials put those plans on hold because of a new cluster of infected young people, more than 100. In China, they've gone the other way, donning masks and filling classes even as they tackle sporadic outbreaks. The risk is high, concedes Principal Fang Jigang. And sometimes safeguards get in the way of learning, like in this Beijing school, where distancing means half of each class watches the teacher on a monitor, leaving student Li Dengdeng distracted.
Many of the students in class B fell asleep, and a classmate behind me sleep all the time.
The political push to reopen China's schools is strong, but in the rest of the region, things are moving much more slowly. In Hong Kong, students won't be going back until at least the end of the month. And here in Japan, schools are still largely shuttered. The plan to reopen them still being written. A couple of Japanese school boards did open, making news. Some parents kept their children at home in fear, but officials say a delicate balance was struck at school. Protecting students' lives is a top priority, he says, but we also have to let them learn. Still, one Canadian expert says none of these jurisdictions seems to be providing the counseling schools need, at least 6 weeks' worth.
Preparing for the social and emotional issues of returning to school. Teachers have undergone tremendous stress regarding what's been expected of them. Students have also been placed in a very difficult spot.
Indeed, in this part of the world, the focus so far is on physical safety, not mental health. Sasha Petrusik, CBC News, Tokyo.